video, I'm going to walk you through how to use Microsoft Teams to record and caption videos. So let's get started. First, you're going to want to log into your Microsoft Office 365 account and locate your dashboard. Then click on Teams. Enter Teams. Here you'll see your Teams dashboard. Click Join or Create Team at the top right-hand corner to create a new team. Then, you will follow the prompts to create a new team. Once you've created your team, you can start making recordings in that team. To make a recording, click on Meet Now or Schedule Meeting. Once you have started the meeting, you can click on the kebab located on the gray toolbar and select Start Recording. Once you're done, click the kebab again and stop the recording. When you're done recording, you'll be able to find your recording in that particular team. Currently, there is a glitch disabling it from automatically uploading to Microsoft Stream. So, in order to upload your video to Microsoft Stream, you will have to click Download and then save the video as an MP4. Once you save the video, go to Microsoft Stream. If you cannot easily find it in your Office 365 dashboard, you can find it under All Apps. Then click on Create. Here you can upload the video into Microsoft Stream. Choose a default video language. This will allow captioning and the creation of a transcript. Then add a title to your video. Under Permissions, you can adjust your permissions if you have confidential data that you don't want others to see. And finally, under Options, you can click Auto Generate Captions. This will produce a transcript. Publish the video and wait for it to process. Once your video has processed, you'll be able to see the video under My Content. You can click on the video and see the transcript by clicking on the video and locating the transcript on the right-hand side of your screen. In order to access a downloadable transcript, click on the video and then on the kebab that says More Actions. You will need to clean up the video transcript. Here's where you can download the transcript file. I hope this was helpful and have a great day.